Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Menyoo in GTA 5. First, go ahead and search for Menyoo GitHub on your search engine. Then open this link. After that, scroll down and click Latest Version. Then scroll down and download the zip file. Also come across to this link and download this file. Then, we are going to open the files we downloaded and copy the files to the Grand Theft Auto folder. Copy all files except the README text. Copy all files except native trainer file. So next time when you open the game, double press F8, it will pop up a menu. In there, you can practically do anything you want. If this helps you, give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.